muthenya umwe tu thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta gukanja thabari yake ya kaunti cia Tharaka Nithi na Meru, arokire gukanja icera ria ruguru rwa bururi kuria muingi ugwetereire kuigwa ndumiriri yake o toria akoretwo agicera icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Guku a Kenya magieciriria gitumi giake gukanja thabari icio igiri, ndumiriri kuma thingira wa iregi yauga ati President arenda kwamba kurumbuiania na maundu megie wamurani thiini wa kiama kia Jubilee kiria atongoretie.
Many of our aspirants come from those places which he wanted to go and visit. So we made a polite request that he could reschedule his visits so that then our aspirants have the opportunity to go to various places, either the county headquarters or the headquarters here, and verify their particulars.
Giki nikio kiumia kia muico kuringana na ihinda riria riheanitwo ni kamiti ya ithurano IEBC kuri ciama cia kiuteti cikorwo ciheanite maritwa maria marahuranira iturwa itiganite kugerera ciama icio. President aumacemania na aikari a Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Busia na Kakamega. Gerifotera Inoro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.